What's poppin', yo? Welcome back to a new YouTube video. Ignore this is just not here. But yeah, today we're looking at Chewits Ones fruity flavour. These are rainbow ones made by Chewits, because they have the Chewits logo on the front. Smell like Chewits. They have red, yellow, blue, green on them. They taste like Chewits, but they taste like them all mixed together. Right, all different colored Chewits together. Tastes quite nice. I'm gonna give them 9 out of 10. I would recommend you go get them. Yeah. So I have to say, well, very nice, do recommend. They've changed the Chewits mascot to less cartoony and more like furry. They've done like little dabs of colour around him to make him look more like furry. Other than that, I hope you all enjoyed this YouTube video. I'll see you all in the next one. Have a nice day and goodbye. Stay home and stay safe.